niggas wanna see me face down. My backyard devils playground. Fuck nigga better not play around. Keep a can running name for the tempo. Pop a pussy nigga just like a pimpo. Blood stains all on my Timbos. Fuck nigga picked the wrong back though to try to pull a kick though. Suicidal thoughts, I think I popped me one too many. Mindless voices in my head, I swear I think I hear the devil calling, trying to tempt me, trying to get me to succumb to his endeavors. What's your pleasure? Name the price. Take a chance and roll the dice. Yeah.